So check it out. Here's another one of my rescue finds from eBay. There were 5 Marx CVs, Commodore Vanderbilts, in this auction for 20 bucks. Each one had a motor. None of them were the correct motor for the CV, but they were all the pre-war motors that I can use in other locomotives. And I had an extra Marx CV pre-war motor, so I decided to kind of Frankenstein this one together because I liked the chrome front end there, and I didn't have a CV with that. So I took it off. The body it was on, it was pretty rusted, and I put it on this one, which is a lot cleaner. And then I also polished it up. I polished up the body with some Meguires wax, which really did a nice job bringing the shine out. Also polished the domes and the chimney insert. And I picked out the best front herald and put that on. And I had to dig a headlight bracket out of the spare parts and put that in. So I liked it so much I decided to put some Meguires wax on the tender and polish that up as well. And then I got out a bunch of my favorite cars, those little Marx red cars, the little 6-inch passenger cars are some of my favorites. So I got about 11 or 12 of them, and of course the rear one, the observation car, has a little trailing red light in it. So I thought we'd take it for a spin. You can check it out. Here we go. You see the reverse unit cycles pretty nicely. I'll turn it a little bit more like that. Yeah, I don't know how many of those 6-inch red cars I've collected over the years. Some say Bogota, some say Montclair. See, it runs pretty good. This makes a nice, really nice pre-war tin plate frame. Looks good with my tin plate buildings. Turn the camera a little bit. There we go. Runs pretty good for a pre-war motor, too. And we'll prick the camera up this time around. I'll just kind of follow it a little bit. You see the little trailing red light. So even for the single reduction motors, you can still get some pretty nice slow operation out of them. You don't have to run them at ludicrous speed. And we'll set it back down. I also put in a new pair of motor brushes in it. That always helps them to run a lot, so much better. All right. I've wanted one of these for a while. It's not chrome, but it's just a polished front ends on it. So I've got one now that looks really clean. And so thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.